let's move on to the contract events. So in the contract events, we have also the same method like get past events, not logs, events. That's because the contract already knows the API and can't decode the logs to the events. Let's try to use it. So first of all, get past events, and we can set, for example, transfer. So give me all transfer events from the first block in this contract. Let's try to do this and comment all other code. Okay, so we see we received a lot of events here, and each one, as you see, we have data from address. This is address of our contract, as you see, the same. Topics, like in logs, data, block number, transaction hash, etc. But here we have return values. This is very important because you can, by index, receive some data, or it's already decoded by the API and you receive the exact param names like in API, from, to, and how much tokens. So now it's human readable, not just hashes. Okay, this for receiving get past events. But if we want to receive not only transfer, we can use this constant like all events, or we can just type it as the text all events, but I think better use the constant. So contract get past events, all events, also from the earliest block, and let's log this. So this method will return all events from our contract. So now we have only one event, but it can be a lot of different events inside. So here you can receive it and then make some logic which you need. Okay, let's make some subscription. For example, create contract events transfer. This is transfer event. This is a subscription instance, and we can add the transfer event on and receive data every time someone transfer tokens to another account. And also we can add the error here. So let's send some tokens. And for example, I also add here the filter. So I want to see all events from the transfer events where recipient is this address. So I create two accounts, receiver 1 and receiver 2. And I want to receive only to this address. So I subscribe only to this and send transaction to two different addresses. Let's see how it works. Okay, so I send two transactions and receive only one event to my receiver. Okay, what next? I can also subscribe to different events if I have this, or I can subscribe to all events. This is the same filter. Oh, let's remove filter for example. So I want to subscribe to all events from my contract. Okay, let's create another one. I want to ascribe to all events and filter by the, and it will be all event instance and all event logs. Okay, let's stop it and start again. Okay, right now I received two events. It's automatically understand what is the event by the topic sign-in, so it understand return values correctly from two tokens, also the event name. So if you have a lot of events inside your contract, you can use this function and it will automatically parse and decode API, and you receive human readable and understandable data from your events. And one more thing, as you see, when I change to WebSockets, my script never ends. So because the connection is still open, and we have the subscription and we wait for new data. So if we want to finish our code, for example, after 1 second, it's just for example, if you use this subscription on the server, you can write this code when you close the server, when you finish your script, you want to close the connection. So let's close the connection. I will try to do some awaiting mechanism. For example, 2 seconds. It will be enough. Okay, and await this. So 2 seconds we will wait, and then I want to close the connection. So I can run Web3 provider disconnect. Looks like await. Nope, not await. Okay, let's run again. Receive data, 2 seconds, and finished. Our script finished successfully. Okay, that's all what I want to say about the events in the Web3 auth and contract packages. See you in the next video.